Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Kristen with Science, and this month we've been learning about the sun's heat. Today I'm going to read a book to you called The Sun, Our Nearest Star by Franklin M. Branly. At night, you can see a lot of stars because the sky is dark. When the sky is bright, you can also see a star. It is the sun. The sun is our daytime star. It is also the star closest to us. There's the sun. The sun is very big. It is much bigger than the earth. The sun is almost 1,000,000 miles across. If the earth was the size of a pea, the sun would be the size of a beach ball. So let's imagine that this is the earth and that this is the sun. If the earth was the size of a pea, the sun would be the size of a beach ball. That's quite a difference. The sun is very far away from us. It is much farther than the moon. A spaceship takes 3 days to reach the moon. It would take more than 3 years to reach the sun. So, here's Earth. It takes a spaceship 3 days to reach the moon. It would take a spaceship more than 3 years to reach the sun. Very far away. And you remember the sun is our nearest star. It takes 8 minutes for light to travel from our daytime star to the earth. It takes 4 years for light to travel from the nearest nighttime star to reach us. Most of the stars are much farther away than that. So we watched a video with Generation Genius yesterday, and it also mentioned it takes 8 minutes for sunlight to travel to the earth. That's our daytime star. Nighttime stars take more than 4 years. Stars are made of hot gases. We learned that too yesterday. It said stars are made from gases that are held together by gravity in the video, didn't it? In the sun and other stars, there is iron, gold, copper, and tin. They are not solid as they are on Earth. All of them are gases because it is so hot on the sun. The temperature on the sun's surface is more than 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Whew, that's very hot. I can barely handle 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature in a very hot oven is only 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's very hot. The sun is so hot that a spaceship could not get close. If it ever did, the spaceship would change to a gas. It would melt instantaneously into a gas. Without the sun, the earth would be cold and dark. No plants would grow, no animals, no bugs, birds, or flowers. Nothing could live here. So we need the sun. Oops. The sun keeps us alive. It makes corn grow and apples, wheat, and bananas. Animals eat the plants. We eat the plants and the animals, and they give us energy. So the energy in our food comes from the sun. It is our solar energy. Millions of years ago, when the dinosaurs roamed, Earth was covered with swamps and jungles. As plants and animals grew, they stored solar energy. When they died, they slowly changed to coal and oil. So ancient solar energy is stored in coal and oil. And today we use that stored up solar energy in coal, oil, and gasoline, which is made from oil to fuel our cars, trucks, airplanes, and rockets. For millions of years, the sun has warmed our planet. It still does. It will keep shining bright and warm for many more millions of years. That's the end of our book. I hope you enjoyed our story. There's going to be a Google form that I'd like you to complete and submit. I'm going to videotape. There's a couple of activities, so I'm going to videotape these because they're fun little science experiments to do with you as well. Okay, if you have any questions, you could always comment to the activity or send me an email. Miss you guys.